Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to put an LED kit inside of a white DualSense. Unfortunately, the red one does not work as of now, and so this is what the box looks like. It's from Extreme Rate. We've worked with them before. They're a great company. They got great reviews. They make great products for all of your electronics. So anyways, this is what the LED kit looks like. You install it inside of your DualSense. Please make sure to go to their channel and watch their installation guide. And I will not show you guys how to install it, but I will show you how everything works and how great it looks. So fast forward through all of that. Here we are now. So to turn it on, you're going to hold up and right on the D-pad and hold square as well. Do it all in steps, and you're going to hold all three of them at the same time, and this is what you get. So as you can see, my first color was blue, and it does look pretty good, and it is really bright as well. So to turn it off, you're going to want to do the same steps. So up on the D-pad, right on the D-pad, and then hold square as well. And that's how you turn it off. Unfortunately, when you turn off your controller while you're playing games or done playing games, you have to turn the lights off manually. So I just turned it back on, and let's go ahead and look at the other colors and how to actually change the colors. So to change the colors, you're going to want to have the lights on, hold up on the D-pad and hold square, just those two, and hold that for about 4 seconds, and your DualSense will start flashing. And to actually change the color is to press right on the D-pad. And here are all the other colors, so I'm just going to let the video speak for itself. As you can see, there are quite a few colors for you to choose from, and I believe the second to last option is a flashing strobe light, and it just flashes all of the lights at you, and it might be a distraction for some may like it, but that's not for me. And the last option, I think the last option, is all of the colors are slowly fading into each other, so it's like the whole rainbow, but it's slowly fading into all of the colors, and that is pretty neat, and that's probably what I'll be sticking to. So to actually select the color you want, you're going to want to choose the color you want, scroll to that color or option, and hold up on the D-pad and square at the same time, and that setting locks in whatever you chose. So the option we chose or locked in was the one where all the colors fade into each other, which is pretty nice. I just wish the transitions were a little bit slower. Anyways, let's move on to the actual strobe light or flashing lights. So please look away if you're sensitive to this. And this is what it looks like. It's just a constant flash of all of the colors. So here I am locking it in, and this is what it looks like. It just flashes at you. So a lot of people will like it, a lot of people will not. So that's just to show you guys what options you have. So a couple hours pass and I'm done playing video games. I have to turn off the controller, the LED lights manually, just like the same way we turn them on, the same process. And this is what the DualSense looks like. It's not bad looking. It does have the clear buttons in order for the lights to shine through. So if you guys are down for this LED kit, then I highly suggest this. It's pretty cool mod for your PlayStation 5, for your DualSense. And if you'd like to stand out, then this is what you should get. So I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did. So please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I'll see you in the next video.